Yeah, I'll tell the 3-year-old boy that he is an Indian. He always was an Indian, but still in India there were people who had supported Pakistan. I would tell the 3-year-old boy when he becomes 30 that there were people who in fact were responsible for the death of your grandfather because they all the way supported jihad. I will tell the 3-year-old when he gets 30-year-old that there were news anchors who said that I would have loved to in fact believe the Indian army, but I did not because some Ashraf Wani somewhere said that Indian army pulled out.
Misinterpret my words. I said I like to believe the Indian army, but I will also go by the version that my reporter gives on the ground.
You would like,
please do not misquote me.
You have been caught red-handed. You have been caught.
What?
No, I'm not misquoting you, sir. Your exact words were, I would have liked to believe my army. And I say, I believe my army. If you believe, you say, I believe. You do not have to say, I like to believe, number one. But I don't want to transgress.
Yes.
Let me tell you the importance of this picture. I was just saying that when you interfered. Remember that lady representative of Pakistan showing one picture in United Nations, and the picture was a Palestinian woman's picture, and on the garb of the picture she said that this is how we have atrocity in Kashmir. Did you know where the picture come from? The picture came from the Communist Party of India because that picture was used as a poster in Kerala. The Congress and the Communist Party's picture was used in United Nations against India. I want that this picture should become the picture of representation across the globe, that this is what jihadists, Pakistanis and the jihadi supporters, the left, liberal,
so
Islamist
you are not going to apologize. You are not going to apologize for the kind of lack of empathy that you have shown by labeling this picture with Pulitzer Award. Please show the picture. There was no need for the label.
Sorry, sir, the Diya Mirzas and the Dadlanis have to apologize.
Okay.
The Diya Mirzas, the Dadlanis, the Swara Bhaskars have, where are they? Where are they? Where are their placards? Why aren't they ashamed today to be an Indian? They were ashamed yesterday to be an Indian. Where are they?
Okay.